What if your money worked for you, even when you're sleeping? That's not a dream, that's passive income. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful passive income ideas anyone can start. Even with low investment or no experience. Dividend-paying stocks reward you with regular income just for holding them. Companies like Apple, TCS, or ITC pay out a percentage of their profits every quarter. Renting out property, whether it's a flat or a small shop, gives you consistent monthly income. Create once, sell forever. Ebooks, Notion templates, or stock photos, you can upload and earn passively. You don't need to show your face to earn from YouTube. Use AI voiceovers, stock footage, and grow faceless channels in finance, motivation, or tech. Promote products and earn commission. You can do this via blogs, YouTube descriptions, or Instagram. If you're good at something, teach it online. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare let you upload once and earn forever. Don't have crores to buy a building. Invest in REITs, like buying a small share of commercial property. Passive income isn't magic. Stay consistent, and it can truly transform your life. Comment below which idea you'll try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-making strategies.